Cleaning your dental appliances is an important part of your hygiene, and one of the really good ways to do that is to have some of these retainer cleaners that you can just pop a tablet into some warm water and let it go do its thing. So you open it up and you just let the tablet go right into the water. It'll start to dissolve. You can put your appliance in there and you're going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you have some more stubborn stains, you can leave it in there overnight and just let it sit there and soak in. And when you take it out, it'll start to smell a lot better. It'll start to look a lot cleaner, and all the stains will be removed from it so that you can go back to using it the next day or the next time you need to use it again. So after having soaked it for about 30 minutes now, take it out of the water. It smells a lot better, a lot more clean. A lot of the stains that were on it before are no longer there anymore. So the next step to do would be to just rinse it off with regular water and then clean out the container that it was stored in.